Yeah.
Speaking of artists, you know, who knows say Merciless, you see me? Pass and thing and you see me? R.I.P.
Rest in peace.
I see them have this controversial thing, you know, with Killa now. Where they must say Killa never got a dog funeral. And people are call Killa kind of this and kind of that, and I say, yo, why him never go on? Everybody else will go support and all these things. I want to know, what is it with Killa why people so upset? Him and Beanie at that. Why them so upset say the man them never go Merciless thing?
Them upset about the two of them, you know. But it's because Bunty talk about it, them more so I send the hatred towards Bunty. But I'm telling you this, bro. I only for them people that full of shit, brother. You understand? Only for them people that are here, they make fun of people dead relative.
This is true.
Them grandmother and grandfather dead and them never got the funeral. Them have a cousin where them not talk to. Them not like them auntie. Them and them mother fight every day. Father want to do this to them and them want to do this to them father. So you know, you see two artists where them wasn't no best friend and them wasn't no close friend like that neither. What you expect the man to do?
I don't know, maybe true they must say them they share the same dancer space. So they might try to use that. But me not think I'm a good argument that because we don't know if a bad man and fight against anything having a dancer.
Of course.
So we can't use that for say true them share the same space. And that's why I should have go.
That would have come in like say another comedian where me collab with, where we just collab just because we want cross platform and them something there. That person yeah drop out and people expect me to go to the funeral. If me not that close to him, I go to the funeral, and if me drop out, me and you not close, me not expect you to come at my funeral.
But check your levels though. And call this, I don't know, maybe this kind of weird, but something I feel like say, if the person never close to you, I feel like you don't belong at the funeral.
You don't.
You see what I say?
You don't.
Something make me feel like, you know, this is how enough people think about too. When you ever think about say maybe other people going to the funeral is really a them thing. It's not even really say Merciless, you know.
Right.
It's like you want to show up for people notice say you showed up.
Yeah, go.
And you try to make it about you and not necessarily paying your respects to the dog, you know.
Yeah.
Because I feel like a little bit of that in it with enough people probably.
Bro, enough of them people are fake, brother. Probably half of Merciless funeral fake. Where half of them people when Merciless did a suffer in silence. Where them did that? People show up when you're dead. And when you're alive, they don't give a damn.
Yeah, true.
That's why I see some of them people run after them out about, oh, Bunty Killa this and Bunty Killa that. Bro, if Bunty Killa did go, bro, people who know Bunty Killa and Merciless situation, they would have say, yo, that's fake energy. You're not real.
Can't win, you can't win. Go or not go, you can't
Some
win.
of them same people, I'm tell you, say them not like them grandmother dead, them not go to funeral. Some of them people, yeah, and them say want to talk about keep the same energy in life as in death. Bunty Killa does keep the same energy.
No, the man.
If me and you never close, why am I expected to go to your funeral? Them a bash the man, I said the man a clown, and Bunty me here like Bunty Killa, he must do a one interview him and say, yo, my boy overdose or overdose. And the people them say, Ray. Bunty Killa is in the industry. The industry people talk.
Yeah.
People know things in the industry. So Bunty Killa might privy to some information that we don't know.
Yeah.
Because when me hear it, I say, yo, I never know say Merciless to that do drugs. But me never take it as facts for say, yo, yeah man, Merciless a cokehead or whatever. Because me don't know. Me just know say the man dead. But for them a clown out Killa and I say Killa this and Killa that, I think is a big disrespect. Because everybody talk about keeping it real and no fakeness over here. Bunty Killa keep it real. So every time I say when people keep it real, them still I get bash?
Yeah, because remember say society we live in, brother. I mean, them tell you one thing, you know, but you do the one thing and then them boss, you know, do another thing, you know. And it don't really matter which side of the fence you're there, because they're going to do the same thing.
Right.
So that's why them say, yeah, but just do what you feel like are the best thing for you. So if nobody jump on you and say you're alright, at least you know say I did your choice to make versus you have to deal with the repercussions of what people tell you say you have to do. So personally, if you never close to him, he don't belong at the funeral.
Him don't belong there. The man express them relationship.
I think that for the loved ones and the people who are close to
right?
God.
So if Bunty Killa go there now, show no emotions on them face while Merciless I go down in the ground while everybody else are crying.
Yeah,
all that I go look.
Cross, angry, miserable, brother.
Right?
But check your levels though. I don't think they would have want somebody who never necessarily like Merciless neither at the funeral. And this is not me saying Bunty don't like him.
Yeah.
But just like how if me never like him, you would want me for that.
Yeah.
So the person will never necessarily like him but not like him. Why you don't want them for that?
Exactly.
And the people them will like him, you want for that.
Me no want nobody who have ill will or them no 100% in their artists. Me no want nobody like that. Me want my funeral for just be, I could have 5 people. Me no want bodies there just for full up our church house. Me want to know say my people, them my loved one, them dead, them a send me off with nothing but love and put my flowers down in the ground and rare.
You know what crazy though? You think a funeral good have enough people? And 9 night good full of people, you know? Because you know everybody want to eat curry goat and they sit there and play domino, you know?
Ah, thank you.
And enough of them probably don't know the dog like that, you know?
Right?
Then ready for go eat, you know?
Right? So this is what I'm saying, bro. Majority of them people that are bash Bunty Killa, bro, them fake. Them fake, brother. Them sing, even some of them hip-hop songs where people are sing about smoke tuka. You're in Jamaica, what you know about tuka? When King Van and them man they talk about smoke tuka. Tuka is a 15-year-old when man them get gunshot. And you sing about smoke tuka, somebody were dead. But you know you're vexed with Killa because Killa never got to Merciless. That's stupid, bro. Not for one fake. When you don't like people in a real life, when you have problems with even one of close family members, when you can't keep a friend. And you complain about the man never got a man funeral. Bro, some of them people are for us, shut up here, brother. It's just disgusting at this point. Really Killa, big up yourself. Rest in peace, Merciless. Yeah. I just there's somebody with that. Well, what about now bash Beanie Man? Beanie Man never gonna need that.
I don't know, bro. Maybe true being in a too vocal about the thing, I probably that.
Yeah, that too.
I'm good at that.
But
being there somewhere dance right now,
chaka.
Yeah, not stress them man, brother. Them man do something else, brother. Believe it.
Jaja.
You see me?